Scrambled egg, chickpea, coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the non-veg recipes and one of the most delicious of the scrambled egg recipes and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes and one of the most nutritious of the chickpea recipes and one of the most different of the egg recipes and one of the easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes. Today we are going to make scrambled egg chickpea coconut milk rice. The ingredients are 25 shallots, peeled and cut, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 spoons of fennel seeds, 1 piece of mace, 3 to 4 red chillies, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger peeled and cut into pieces, and 100 grams of chickpea soaked in water for around 6 hours. Heat the pan and pour in cannel oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Now put in the fennel seeds, the mace, saute the fennel and the mace together. Put in the red chillies, salt, chili. Now put in the shallots, salt, piece salt. Then salt taste. Mix that a bit. Put in this. Salt and mix. Put in 200 ml of water, mix, and let the mixture cook for 20 minutes if in the pressure cooker or 40 minutes if in the open pan. Now break in 2 eggs into the mixture. Let the eggs cook for around 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, scramble the eggs. And let it cook. Put in 200 ml of coconut milk. Mix and let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes. After the required amount of cooking, put in a cup of washed sliced rice. Mix and let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes if in the pressure cooker or 15 minutes if in the open pan. Now the scrambled egg, chickpea, coconut milk rice is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final. Scrambled egg, chickpea, coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the non-veg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most nutritious of the chickpea recipes and one of the most different of the coconut milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.